Let's talk about what's new in Deltek Acumen 5.0. For most users, your software will automatically update to version 5 after you've been prompted. In fact, you can verify your version number in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Let's talk about what you're getting from Release 5, because this is an amazing release and it's revolutionary. We've received very high demand for increased visual features on the Gantt chart. To date, the Gantt chart has served its main purpose, but based on your feedback, we wanted to take it many steps further. Here's how we did it. In 5.0, you'll notice that the Smart Gantt button on the S1 project screen is brand new. Before we use it, let's open a project and check the scoring, and even apply some uncertainty. Okay, we have the project open. Let's check the scoring. This isn't very good at all. Within this project, there's issues in a number of areas. This score is red, and this is not a good score. Now let's head over to Deltek Acumen Risk and add high uncertainty to our project. We're telling the system that we see a lot of risk as to when these various groups of activities will finish. Combined with a low quality score, there's definitely a lot of risk in this plan. Why am I doing all of this? Because we can summarize the scheduled quality scores and the risk uncertainty information all on the Gantt chart. Now, why is this important? Because we want a more useful Gantt chart. We want to see concisely, along with our time-phased information, how our quality and risk picture stack up. We'll set the colors of the top bars to the quality color. And we'll set these lower bars to the uncertainty color. We'll use the scheduled dates for each, but we could use baseline, late, or even our probabilistic dates, like our P50 or P80 dates. Okay, that's really cool, and there's a lot we can do with these two sets of bars per activity and all different ways that we can set them up. Now let's take things a step further with the Schedule Realism Advisor. We know that we have a fairly low quality schedule. History tells us that low quality schedules slip to the right, so let's try to quantify that. We're going to tell the Schedule Realism Advisor to slip our schedule where it finds the lowest quality, which is here where we see the red coloring. And we want to expedite the schedule in cases where it finds very high quality. This will help us develop a very realistic picture of where our project may actually finish. Presently, we're targeted for a January 31st completion date. Let's run the advisor and base the results on schedule quality. We assign the advice to the schedule, and our schedule might not complete until May. The next steps are to improve the quality, risk adjust the schedule, optimize it, and only then get consensus from the team. This is no easy task, but if that work isn't performed, this January project is going to slip for months at a time. Let's talk about a breakthrough feature that you can start using right away. This schedule has missing logic, lots of it. Previously, we'd have to go to the scheduling tool to fix the missing logic. No more. Here in the Acumen suite, I can quickly identify the items with missing logic. And this new filtering capability lets me take these results and use them on the S1 project screen. What's new on the S1 screen? Everything. Not only do I have the Smart Gantt function, but I can use this ad hoc missing logic filter to target my efforts. Then, with this panel down here, I can see a detailed view of my scheduling information. I have everything down here: characteristics, type, status, risk events, uncertainty, and more. In this scenario, I can fix these missing logic items. When I'm all done, I can proceed onward to my risk workshop, or I can send this improved schedule back over to my scheduling tool. Right here in Fuse, I can change everything about my schedule, or even create one from scratch. Let's talk about a few more key features that are new to the software. I can now take a cost file from popular earned value management tools such as Deltek Cobra, import the information, and take the data straight into Deltek Acumen Risk. I can apply my uncertainty at any level, map risks if I'd like, and then run my Monte Carlo simulation directly on these standard cost formats. Our schedule cleanser has always been a very popular feature. Now it's even better. In addition to these previously available options, there's a new option to remove logic from summary tasks. The system will read the improper logic and apply it correctly to the detailed tasks beneath, leaving the summaries logic free. In short, you won't lose logic by having this option, you'll end up with better logic. Finally, we've added more flexibility than ever when connecting to P6 web services. Now you can set up credentials for a single database or for multiple P6 databases. Thank you for watching this video to learn more about the Deltek Acumen 5.0 release. You can learn more on our website here, and you can contact us on Twitter or by email, and you can even get a free trial of our software.